let you in?
You.
Well.
Hey everyone, it's Jojo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel today.
Why are you screaming?
Because I have to. Chill. Hey everyone, it's Jojo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel today. I have a very exciting special guest, Miranda Singh. She's my favorite human being on this planet.
Don't touch me.
Anyways, she does not really know how to make slime. She claims she's made it before, but she really doesn't have one.
I do know what I'm doing. I made it with hair. Also, the camera is 2 feet from you. You don't need to scream.
But I don't need to whisper because then they can't hear me.
They can hear that. Did you hear that? Leave a comment. Did you hear her whisper?
Anyways, today we're going to be making slime because why not? I need to teach her how to make it. Last time I taught her how to dance. She tried to teach me how to dance. It worked.
I did teach you how to dance.
Okay. I'm just going to stop arguing with her and we're just going to get to making some slime.
Let's do it. Okay, that's for a snack.
No, you don't eat that. Don't eat
This is
that.
for you to clean. You.
Yeah.
Whoa. So this is snack time. When are we making the slime?
Right now.
Oh, I thought this was...
This is how you make the slime. Are you going to pour a lot or a little?
I'm not. Obviously, I'm very hungry.
You're not going to eat this.
Yes, it's snack time.
Do you know what's in glue?
Glue.
Poison.
There's no poison in
There is poison in glue, and if you eat it, don't even sniff it. No, please, I don't want you to die.
It smells really good. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so now, this is going to be your favorite part. You just put glitter in.
Oh, yay.
You can pick whatever colors you want. I'll put the glitter in the middle. If you want pink,
Too
pink,
red.
pink's not a good one.
Why?
Because I want pink.
Okay, selfish. I'll do green.
I want green too.
What the heck, selfish? I get it.
There you go.
Give it to me. Give
No,
it to
only
me.
if you reach
Give
it.
it to me. Give it to me, Jojo. I swear to God, first you're screwing in my house with things. You are the worst.
Only if I can have a high five.
Did it?
Oh, yay, good job. There you go.
Thank you. All right, what do we do?
You're going to take this, and you can pour as much or as little as you want.
Ooh, you love purple. I do yellow. What the heck? That one was for me.
I wanted some pink.
I'm gonna do yellow and green.
You got to use the pink too, since you made a big deal.
I don't want the pink now. You touched it. It has your germs on it.
Oh, it has germs on it.
Yeah.
From me.
I want more yellow.
You want more yellow?
Yes.
I touched that one too.
Well, now this
Your
has
germs.
germs on it. I can start it off.
You really need to start over.
Yeah,
Can we just trade?
No, I don't want yours. You touched it.
Okay. But I touched that one too.
Stop reminding me.
Okay, so now I can either pour the water in it or you can.
You're pouring it in.
Alright, I'll be back.
Oh, hey, girl.
How you doing? Are you my best friend? Alright, cool. So now you're gonna like this part. You're gonna take your hand, you're gonna stick it in, and you're gonna stir it.
Okay, easy. This is taking forever.
You haven't even been doing it 10 seconds.
How do you do it? Now it's done? That smells like slime.
That's slime.
That looks like glue and water.
Is that heavy for you?
Yes, it's very heavy. You'll make me do all this work.
Oh! Teamwork!
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Good job. That was a good one. I'm proud of you. But is your slime starting to form? Like, look at mine.
Oh, wow. Oh, it is turning into slime.
It's turning into slime. Good job. I'm proud of you.
Wow, I can't believe this actually works.
I'm a proud mom.
Jojo teached me something. It's a miracle.
I did! Okay, my slime's pretty much formed.
Well, mine needs more goopies.
Okay, so if you hold it, I'll push it. Can we put some more in mine too? Perfect. Good job. Proud of you. If you stir it fast too, it'll start to form.
Mine is really slimy.
You did it! I'm so proud of you. You did it. Look how beautiful.
How can you two have...
Ooh. It's supposed to be iceberg slime. Wow. Not working, is it? Aw. That's... Aw. Sorry. Aw. Is that glitter? No, it's not glitter. Of course it's not glitter. Oh. Is that candy slime? Ooh, candy slime. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, wow. Wow. Whoa, Courtney.